How far can a parent move with joint custody in New York? After a divorce, it's natural for parents to consider relocating, maybe to be closer to family, pursue a job, or start fresh. But when joint custody is in place, those plans aren't just personal decisions, they become legal matters. In New York, how far you can move with your child depends on many factors, not a strict mileage rule. That's why understanding what the courts look at is essential if relocation is on the table. In New York, there's no set distance that a parent can move when they share custody. Each case is evaluated based on the child's best interests. Courts examine how the relocation affects visitation schedules, relationships with the non-custodial parent, and overall well-being. If a custody order doesn't already restrict relocation, the moving parent must either get consent from the co-parent or petition the court. Failing to communicate or acting unilaterally can hurt a parent's case. Judges also review whether both parents are capable of working together and maintaining a stable parenting arrangement despite the distance. So how far can you move? If the move causes a significant disruption to the child's relationship with the other parent, the court will likely require approval. A short move might not raise concerns, but moving out of state or several hours away usually will. Courts weigh the reasons for the move, its impact on the child's relationship with both parents, educational benefits, and even the child's own preferences if they're mature enough. If a judge decides the relocation would negatively affect the child and the parent still wants to move, they might even transfer physical custody to the other parent. Understanding the process is key. Legally, the custodial parent must give written notice at least 60 days before moving. That notice must include the intended move date, new address, and the reasons for relocating. If the non-custodial parent objects, the relocating parent may need to file a petition to modify the custody agreement. Both parents will have the chance to present their case in court, where the judge will make a decision based on the child's welfare. If parents can work together and create a modified parenting plan, the court may be more inclined to allow the move. Even if you don't have a custody order in place, moving out of state with your child still requires communication with the other parent. Without a legal agreement, courts tend to get involved and closely review whether the move serves the child's best interests. If there's no consent and no order, you'll likely need to negotiate or seek court approval. In either case, an attorney can help protect your parental rights and guide you through the process. If your co-parent objects to the move, New York courts will not allow the relocation unless there's an agreement or a court order. Judges might impose adjustments like having the child spend holidays or summers with the non-relocating parent. They may also order increased digital communication like phone or video calls. Joint custody means both parents retain decision-making authority, so relocation is never a one-sided decision. At relocation hearings, courts review evidence related to school stability, family connections, and new visitation schedules. The judge wants to know whether the move will truly benefit the child or disrupt their well-being. If both parents agree and have a plan in place, that cooperative approach strengthens the case for moving. But if the move would severely limit the other parent's access, the court might deny the request or change custody arrangements altogether. To avoid complications, it's smart to consult a lawyer early in the process. An attorney can clarify your rights and help you gather the documentation the court will expect. Whether you're trying to move or trying to protect your time with your child, having legal support from a trusted law firm makes all the difference. For legal advice tailored to your situation, contact Juan Luciano, divorce lawyer. Our law firm is experienced in New York custody matters and can guide you through every step of a relocation case. Call us today at 212-537-5859 or visit us at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, 10016, United States to schedule a consultation.